आकाशवाणी से प्रस्तुत है चहल पहल। आज के इस अंक में ब्रॉडकास्ट इंजीनियरिंग सोसाइटी द्वारा आयोजित 29वां अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सेमिनार और ब्रॉडकास्ट एवं मीडिया टेक्नोलॉजी पर केंद्रित प्रदर्शनी। 3 जुलाई गुरुवार को प्रगति मैदान के हॉल नंबर 8, 9 और 10 में ब्रॉडकास्ट इंजीनियरिंग सोसाइटी द्वारा 29वां अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सेमिनार और ब्रॉडकास्ट एवं मीडिया टेक्नोलॉजी पर केंद्रित प्रदर्शनी का शुभारंभ किया गया। इस आयोजन का शुभारंभ ईश वंदना से हुआ। इस अवसर पर अतिथियों का स्वागत करते हुए ब्रॉडकास्ट इंजीनियरिंग सोसाइटी के अध्यक्ष श्री सुनील ने कहा,
It is a profound privilege for the BES to host this prestigious event, continuing our long-standing commitment to advancing the media industry. That is the prime vision of the BES. This gathering reflects our dedication to serving every facet of the sector, from television, radio and film to mobile, OTT, IPTV, and the dynamic world of content creation and delivery. It is truly a pleasure to witness such a distinguished gathering here in New Delhi. On behalf of the BS, I extend my sincere gratitude to each one of you present here and joined us. We are honored by your presence and look forward to an encouraging and enriching 3 days. BES India is a non-profit society established 37 years back, functions with a social cause of promoting the advancement and dissemination of knowledge and best practices of broadcasting to enhance the knowledge of broadcasting professionals. This society encourages education, research and training in broadcasting through active cooperation with academic institutions, industry and the government. This society works closely with leading broadcast organizations in the world and plays a leading role in inviting experts from different areas of broadcasting to facilitate adoption of new technologies in the broadcasting sector in India. This year, our theme, Transforming the Media Landscape through AI, Create, Collaborate and Monetize. This perfectly encapsulates the dynamic shifts and exciting opportunities unfolding within the broadcasting industry. We are deeply honored to welcome an exceptional ensemble of dignitaries and thought leaders who have joined us for this inaugural session. Their presence not only lends prestige to this gathering, but also sets a compelling tone for the enriching discussions and visionary dialogues that lie ahead in the next 3 days. Welcome once again to everybody at this BS episode 2025.
इस आयोजन में गति शक्ति विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति श्री मनोज चौधरी ने अपने संबोधन में कहा,
The future of broadcasting lies in adopting and adapting to the changing consumer preferences and innovative business models. The industry must embrace flexibility, personalization, new revenue models to stay competitive. And there is only one way to do that. That is to develop new technology, to adopt new technology faster, and to innovate across all aspects, how we produce content, how we deliver content, how we distribute content, and how we store content, and how we monetize content. I hope that 3 days tutorials and conference sessions that are spread for this conference will be able to address many of these scenarios, issues, challenges, and opportunities in the respective field, and we will be able to deliver Indian broadcast industry towards future readiness. I want to wish all the best to the audience. Thank you.
इस आयोजन में प्रसार भारती के मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी श्री गौरव द्विवेदी ने कहा,
If you look at the mottos of the two constituent organizations of Prasar Bharati, the two original constituents, Akashvani and Doordarshan, Bahujan Hitaye, Bahujan Sukhaye, for the good of all, for the happiness of all, and Satyam Shivam Sundaram, the one beautiful eternal truth. So therefore, to carry on in the spirit of these mottos that we have been born with, we need to figure out how best to deal with these challenges of today's technology. It has its benefits, it also has its dangers, and I am sure in the next couple of days, in the various discussions in this forum, we'll at least have an inkling of some of the answers, if not the final answers. My best wishes to the organizers.
इस आयोजन में अपने संबोधन में प्रसार भारती के चेयरमैन श्री नवनीत सहगल ने कहा,
We at Prasar Bharati as a independent public service broadcaster, we are proud to be both custodian of tradition and driver of innovation. With Doordarshan and All India Radio, we have a unique responsibility to not only inform, educate, and entertain more than 1 billion citizens in multiple languages across diverse geography and across diverse platforms. But today our mission extends beyond the conventional. We are embracing digital-first strategies, enhancing multi-platform presence, and ensuring inclusive access to information and entertainment for every Indian, even from remote villages to the farthest corner of the country. You see, in the current context of digital revolution in India, we firmly believe that technology is a great equalizer. Not only it is giving the digital advantage to every citizen because now it is available, but it is also changing the media consumption habits of the citizens. The OTT wave has just swept across the globe, fundamentally reshaping how audiences discover, consume, and engage with content. From binge watching on demand series to personalized news feeds, the power has shifted to the viewer. We are committed to ensure that public service content remains relevant, discoverable, and accessible on all the platforms, easily accessible to that extent, not just for entertainment, but for education, information, and national integration, which is at the core of all of our broadcast. And it's both a challenge and an opportunity for us. As nation's public service broadcaster, we are accepting this with open arms. Our content is no longer confined to terrestrial and satellite platforms. Through digital apps, YouTube, download, social media, OTT, we are reaching millions of young people, young Indians who prefer to watch on their mobiles and tablets in their convenience and in their language. We are also enhancing our multi-platform presence, investing in cloud-based workflows and upgrading the legacy infrastructure to meet the demand of the digital area. With platforms like News on Air, DD's India's global outreach and exponential growth of DD Free Dish, we are positioning ourselves not just as a national broadcaster, but a global viewer of India. And our objective is to project our cultural, historical, and economic strength to the globe, to everybody else in the world. And that is why we are using AI tools, experimenting with multi-language subtitling, building robust digital archives, and so that the treasure trove of Doordarshan and Air content can be rediscovered by future generations. In fact, we have put most of our archives on our OTT platform also, so it is easily discoverable. Thank you, BES, for organizing this. And I hope and I wish good luck for the conference, for success of this conference. It should come out with concrete suggestions for not only for Make in India, but suggestions for our broadcasting technologies. Thank you so much.
इसी के साथ चहल पहल का आज का ये अंक यहीं संपन्न होता है।